This is exercise number 3. Draw the projections of a line AB which is 100 mm long. It is perpendicular to vertical plane and parallel to horizontal plane. The end B of the line is 20 mm in front of vertical plane and the line is 20 mm above HP. So this is interesting. This is very similar to the previous question, but here it is being perpendicular to the vertical plane, not the horizontal plane, and it is parallel to horizontal plane. So as we did in the previous question, in this case the line will be horizontally. That means the front view will be a point and the top view will be a line. So we will see the explanation part now. Now this question is very similar to our previous question. The only difference here is that it is not perpendicular to the horizontal plane, but it is perpendicular to the vertical plane. So what we will mean by that? I will make this line AB perpendicular to the vertical plane first, then we will see the views. Now you see that I have made this line perpendicular to the vertical plane. This is looking very complicated here. Just wait a minute. So where is our line? Here is our line. See that there is no line. I have deleted the line. Now this is the line which is perpendicular to vertical plane. See, if I view it from the front, it will appear as a dot, and if I view it from the top, then I will be able to visualize the line. When you view it from the top, you see that it is 20 mm in front of VP, right? You see the gap between the vertical plane and the starting of this line, the point B, is given in the question as 20 mm. So while we draw the top view of this question, of this line, we will draw a straight line and we will take a distance 20 mm with the XY line. So now we will see how to draw this. So I am drawing the XY line here. As this line is perpendicular to VP, we know that the top view will be a straight line and the end of B is 20 mm away from the VP. So this is 20 mm distance. This is actually the point B and the line is 100 mm. This is your line A and I am taking the projection. It is 20 mm above HP. So from the XY line, 20 mm distance, this point, this you can say A dash and B dash. You can give dimensions if you want here and in the previous question also. Your exercise number 3 is completed. Thank you. This is exercise number 4. Draw the projections of a line AB which is 100 mm long. It is inclined at 30 degree to the horizontal plane and parallel to the vertical plane. The end A is 20 mm above HP and 20 mm in front of VP. So this clearly there is a line of two ends A and B 100 mm long, and it is given an inclination angle with respect to the horizontal plane and it is parallel to the vertical plane. So this is in a way simple question, but you have to understand the explanation part very carefully because the inclination is given. In this question it is mentioned that the line is inclined to horizontal plane. So as we have seen, this is a line AB, this is vertical plane, this is horizontal plane. So one thing to observe here is the most important thing here is the angle. As I have mentioned, the current position of the line here is parallel to horizontal plane and parallel to vertical plane. As you can see in the front view, it's a straight line, and in the top view it is going to be a straight line also, but we have to tilt this with respect to the horizontal plane. So I will tilt this at an angle of 30 degree. So you see that I am making the angle with respect to the horizontal plane. That is why it is rotating in this fashion, and in any position of this, this is parallel to the vertical plane. I'm only changing the angle with respect to the horizontal plane. So let's say the angle 30 will belong here. So when we will view from the front, there will be a straight inclined line which will make an angle of 30 degree with the horizontal. This angle will be 30 degree in your drawing sheet. And if I view this same from the top, you see that there will be only a straight line. The end A is here and the end B is here, and we'll do the same in the drawing sheet. So again, I will start with the XY line here. So this is your XY line. But here the angle is given with respect to the HP. Even then we will first assume that it is parallel to HP, as we did in projection of solid questions, the same thing. And the distance is the near end, that is A, is 20 mm over HP. So I am taking a distance of 20 mm and I am drawing a line of 100 mm. This say A dash and B dash, because this is not the actual answer. This is drawn with 2H pencil only. And now what we will do is, I will take an angle of 30 degree. This is the angle 30 degree. Now we can use our H pencil. Say this is the end A and this is the end B. This is the actual front view. And now we can project this front view to get the top view. Which is also 20 mm in front of VP. So this will be your VP. See that say this ends as A suffix 1 and B suffix 1, because we have taken A dash and B dash for this line first. So this is the true length of the top view. In top view the length will get contracted, so it will not be 100 mm anymore, because when we are viewing from the top view, this length got increased because we have rotated this front view first. So we will get a top view of contracted length. You can drag this till this point if you want, but it's not required actually. We have our top view and front view. This was our exercise number 4. Thank you.